India's education sector is witnessing a paradigm shift with high-tech digital resources acting as a catalyst in bridging the gap between the modern and the traditional practices of teaching. Over the last few decades, the education system in India has made significant advances as we have expeditiously progressed from dull lectures, blackboards and chalks to projectors, screens, presentations, digital tools and much more. Augmenting this change and modifying the dynamics of education, we are Indianica Learning, knowledge beyond horizons.
We believe that's what helps us understand the kids' psychology much better, what can work for the kid, how can their learning experience improve and be enhanced. Because unless we understand the child, how a child learns, it's very difficult to create a solution for that. So that is something that we keep doing.
Indianica Learning has been a pioneer in creating innovative products and learning solutions that foster exploratory learning, nurture curiosity, and spark critical thinking in learners of all ages. The highly trained, dynamic, and professional sales force further accelerates growth of the business while retaining its core values of spreading knowledge and promoting learning beyond horizons.
We believe in connecting with facilitators and learners so that we can cater to their academic needs on an ongoing basis. We also have a very comprehensive teacher empowerment initiative where we go beyond the textbook and help the teachers in any area wherever they need any academic support.
With digital formats, tools, and latest technologies, Indianica Learning encourages two-way communication in classrooms, making learning pertinent, interactive, and engaging.
We are using Indianica Learning curriculum books in our school from past 3 years. They've got lots of activities that are mapped to the curriculum, and what more, all the books have got the special content, the digital content which is loaded in the individual's classrooms for their smart class learning.
As the teaching-learning process becomes more collaborative, we enter a whole new world of innovation and imagination, full of endless possibilities, and augmented with the increasing presence of technology in the education ecosystem.
I like Indianica Learning Solutions because they help us to improve our pronunciation. They also help us to enhance our 4 skills, which are the writing skills, listening skills, reading skills, and speaking skills.
Therefore, as a sign of preparedness for the future, collective feedback and opinion is imperative from the people involved in the education process.
Like Jim Collins also says, put the right people in the right seat, and wherever they take it, it will be the right destination. So that's what we believe in, and we believe this is the way we can add a lot of value to the society, contribute. If we can enhance the experience of a learner, they will be better learned, and if they are better learned, the society will improve as a whole.
At Indianica Learning, we ensure accuracy and authenticity in all our processes and practices. The Human Resource Brigade ensures that best practices are undertaken as they strive to create a safe, healthy, happy, and performance-oriented atmosphere for our workforce. Digital learning solutions have changed the face of most Indian classrooms and home learning environments. Interactive and stimulating learning solutions are imperative to connect with our digitally native audience. And therefore, it is vital and essential that we push boundaries and strive to create efficient and effective learning resources for students. Technology is the future of education. It's helping teachers to go beyond linear, text-based learning. As a learning solutions organization, we keep pace with evolving technology through our digital resources. We are committed to make learning experiences more engaging, more effective, more efficient, and certainly more enjoyable. We are Indianica Learning. Knowledge beyond horizons.